Hi, my name is Scott Pelletier, and I'm a CTO of Lewan Associates. I've been at Lewan for about 16 years, and wanted to share with you some of the things we're doing at Lewan, as a lot of our customers only know us as the last interaction we've had with them. If we've worked with them on the copy print side, they think of us in that vein. If we work with them maybe on a unified communication system, they think of us in that vein. So I want to make sure that you understand all the things that we do at Lewan to make sure you're leveraging all the resources that we have. Lewan's been around for 40 years. We're a Xerox company, and we have 13 locations between Cheyenne, Wyoming, and Albuquerque, New Mexico, 10 of which are in Colorado, and about 400 people across those locations, and they all focusing on different subcategories of technology so that we can provide best-of-class service, but also covering a broad range of services. So today, that's what I'd like to do, is cover those services with you a little bit to make sure you understand which ones we have to offer and all of our capabilities. Because one of the things I believe that makes us unique is, since we do have such a broad offering, all through one company, to have one place to really be a more comprehensive technology provider. And we also have a managed services aspect to our business so that we can help customers manage these technologies after they're deployed. So we really have a full service offering, and I want to make sure that our customers know what that offering entails. So I'll fire up our website here to give you a feel for the offerings that we do have. And they're pretty much divided into three main categories. We have our printing solutions group, we have our technology solutions group, and we have our managed IT services as well. And these are where all the service capabilities come out from. We have technologists that work in each one of these areas. We have solutions architects and delivery and break-fix personnel in the printing solutions group. We have project engineers and project managers in our technology solutions area to implement the solutions that we sell. And on our managed IT services, we have a group called the ROC, or the Remote Operations Center, and that team is dedicated to managing and maintaining our customers' infrastructure over time. So from a printing technology solutions group, there's three main concepts that we're trying to drive for our customers. One is managing their print cost altogether. The MFPs, or the multifunction devices, those are somewhat managed via the contracts that we sell already. The ones that were really sprawling and out of control were the print costs for printers, because a lot of customers did not have those under print management contracts. So they were just buying toner and service and supplies, all kind of untethered from a managed application. You can't manage what you're not measuring. So our managed print group, and we call that the Technology Smart Print, allows us to help our customers manage their print costs more effectively and get those costs under control. And so we can save customers significant amounts of money by doing that. We do that through a Lewan 360 assessment, where we assess all of your print fleet and help understand how the print's being derived within your environment, to make sure we're optimizing the usage of particular printers and types and color and black and white, all these sort of things, and the types of printers to get your overall cost down, including supplies and maintenance, all built into the cost. So it's a very predictable cost. The other thing we do on the print side that adds a lot of value is to print smarter. So first we optimize the print fleet, and then we optimize how you're printing. So there's print governance is the term we use for that, where we help customers understand what print job should go to what devices based on the color content, the amount of pages in the job, or other metrics that the customer and or our consultants help you derive as being optimum to, again, reduce your costs once again and optimize the usage of the technology that you own. And third is also in that space is to not print at all. If we can digitize the documents and or the documents are naturally come in digital content, or digital format, can we optimize those by putting them into an enterprise content management system and share and workflow and save and protect all that data in a different way, more in of an electronic format than a printed format altogether. So those three things together really help our customers optimize the way they print and how much it costs for the way they print. The next area is our technology solutions area. And this really is broken down to the solution areas that we sell within our technology side of our house. So we're a full service IT shop. We have about 40 engineers and project managers and professional services folks in this group alone. And we break that down to what we call our DNA, our data center, networking, and application delivery practices. So from a data center perspective, these are things like storage and computer systems, blades, virtualization technologies like VMware, for example, that all fit into the data center networking, and ways to help customers optimize their data center technologies and resources such that they can deliver the apps out to their end users in an efficient, performant, and protected, secure manner. Our networking and unified communications team is very critical to move the data, right? So the data center processes the data and stores the data at rest. The networking actually allows that data to be shared amongst your end users, and whether it's wireless, wide area networking, local area networking, core switching, or routing. We do a lot of work in this area with Cisco as our primary partner in this space, and it's very much one of our fastest growing areas as well. And it's very exciting to see the technologies that are in that space. It also includes things like web collaboration, voice collaboration, video collaboration to optimize your communication with your end users and customers, as well as, of course, the connectivity with your end users and customers. And last but not least is our application delivery team. And what they focus on is delivering applications to any user, any device, anytime sort of concept. So a lot of people are using different devices these days. We've got iPads and thin clients and zero clients and Macs and PCs and all kinds of Androids, all kinds of different devices. And how do you get those applications delivered without standardizing IT, which is we all know is a tough thing to do these days, because the consumerization of IT is really taking over the end user preference of what devices they want to use. So that team is dedicated to delivering these applications, and they use a lot of technologies from Citrix and VMware, for example, to deliver these applications in a seamless manner from the data center over the network to the actual end user itself. So we've really got kind of an end-to-end story there, and the practice areas are actually equal in size from a revenue and resource perspective at Lewan Associates. And last but not least, from our professional services team is our managed IT services. We call that Full Service 360, and the offerings are here below. What this team is dedicated to doing is maintaining, monitoring, reactive and proactive management of your IT infrastructure, from your servers to your storage to your networking to your phone system and all the different aspects that lie within it. How do we help you manage and maintain that? A lot of times customers have gaps in either capabilities or capacity. They don't either have enough people. It's hard to have all of the know-how within a small number of people across all of this broad area called IT. So you may have folks that are really good at some aspects of IT, they struggle in others. We can fill those gaps. Or you may not have enough volume or scale to hire a lot of people in IT. So again, we can augment the capacity in that regard as well. The offerings that we have in this space are end user service desks, so we can literally be your help desk for you. We can augment your help desk, and we also can manage and monitor and proactively patch and maintain the equipment and the IT infrastructure within your environment. Also, we have a managed security offering where if you'd like us to do the 24/7 log monitoring and watching of the intrusion detection prevention systems, we've got that technology with a 24/7 SOC, which is a security operations center that we leverage for that technology and those services. We also have a data protection offering. So data protection is basically backup recovery and some aspects of DR for customers' data to get that data protected, get it off site. And we have those offerings so that, again, you don't have to manage and maintain a backup system. We do all that for you. We even do the restores for you. So it's a full service offering from end to end, where we can back up your data, protect it on site, replicate it off site, and yet replicate it again. So we've got 3 copies of your data and all the services to make sure those backups are being run accurately, securely, and all the restores are being done for you. We also have a hosted private cloud for customers that really want to get out of the infrastructure business altogether. You don't want to buy servers or storage or core networking at all. You'd really like that hosted in a data center facility where you can get out of the business of running a computer room or a data center, and let alone all the equipment that goes inside of it, and you rent part of ours. So it's a hosted private cloud. We give you a slice based on how much compute and storage and connectivity you need, and everything from internet bandwidth to private line access, and we can slice and dice that up and give that to you, and then layer our other managed services on top of it. So if you'd like us to do your backups, for example, you'd like us to be your help desk, or whatever the case may be, we can do all that in addition to actually supplying the infrastructure underneath. And last but not least in this area is messaging and collaboration, where we can migrate your email into a hosted cloud that's running Exchange, so that you still use Outlook. It feels and looks just like it used to, but you don't have to deal with managing an email server, or backing that up or protecting it in any way. That's all done for you. Same thing on collaboration. We also have web conferencing and web collaboration hosted options as well to interact with either your internal users or customers, which we're finding of great benefit to us. We have a hosted version of those technologies as well. So that's a broad brush of Lewan and Associates. We have a lot of engineering talent. We're hiring. We're growing like crazy, which is great. And we've been growing the last 3 years running, and no end in sight. Hope you really try to take advantage of all the offerings we have and the great smart people that we hire. So thanks for listening.